Give the numerical and literal coefficients of each of the following. Ang given natin number 1, 5xy. So ang ating numerical dito itong 5, then ang ating literal coefficient itong xy. Next, number 2, ang given 7 times quantity a squared minus ab raised to third power. Now, ang ating numerical dito yung 7, then ang ating literal coefficient itong a squared at saka itong negative ab raised to third power or cubes. Ngayon, kung expand pa natin ito, okay, ganito, 7 times a squared, that is 7a squared. Then 7 times negative ab cube, ito ay negative 7ab cube. So ang first term natin, ang ating numerical coefficient ay yung positive 7. Then ang ating literal itong a squared. Then ang second term natin na numerical ay itong negative 7. Then ang ating literal coefficient itong ab cube. Next, number 3, ang given natin ay xyz squared over 3. Take note, itong xyz raised to second power or z squared, ito ay mayroon dyan numerical coefficient na 1. Okay? Hindi lang isinulat, understood, meron po yan numerical coefficient na 1. Okay, therefore, ang ating numerical coefficient dito ay yung 1/3 din ng ating literal coefficient itong xyz squared or raised to second power. Now, number 4 is your turn. Comment your answer.